This time on the Driver's Corner, we're installing new wheels and tires on my C5 Corvette. It's going to be a little bit different this time. I normally take my own wheels and tires off my car and take them to a tire shop and have them installed. But recently I found out after watching a video on Full Octane Garage about a mobile tire service near me, and I figured I'd give them a shot. So I called the Freedom Tire guys, and they came over to my house to install my new tires that I'd ordered offline on my new wheels that I'd ordered offline and put them directly on my Corvette without me having to lift a finger. They showed up about 10 minutes early, which is awesome because most of the time when you go to a tire shop, you end up sitting there for a couple hours longer than they said you were going to. These guys came with their own truck that has tire equipment in it. They assessed the car, figured out how to jack it up and make sure that everything stayed safe considering that my car is pretty low. And then they got to work. It took them a little over 45 minutes. So the Freedom Tire guys here in Nashville, Tennessee did an awesome job. And now let's take a look at what the car looks like. So overall, I'm extremely happy with the way the car is looking. The Freedom Tire guys did an amazing job getting my tires mounted and balanced and installed on the Corvette. So right now, the C5 is looking pretty sharp. I've got to plan out some other mods that I'm going to do, and then we're going to start working on the power adding stuff. So I hope to get a driving, cruising video coming pretty soon so you guys can kind of hit a back road with me and see what the car drives like. And then we're going to start talking about performance modifications. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please comment, subscribe, get in the drawing for that Simpson race suit. You can find that probably somewhere in the video. I'll probably put a link to that one here. But all you have to do is comment, on any of my videos, and make sure you're a subscriber. And then when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be drawing a name, and somebody will get a brand new Simpson race suit shipped to their house, courtesy of me. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.